What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you a really simple and easy way to extract a specific number of pages from a PDF document. What happens sometimes is, let's say your PDF document is of 10 pages. I have actually created a sample document to give you some idea. So here's a PDF document with around 7 pages, and let's say you only want to extract or print page number 3 and page number 5 from this. So in order to do that, what you need to do first is just click on your PDF document and go to Open With and open it in Google Chrome. Now sometimes the PDF document won't open in Google Chrome. In order to fix that, click these small 3 dots on the right side and go to Settings. Under Settings, search for PDF. Now open Site Settings and scroll all the way down and click Additional Settings and go on PDF Documents and turn this off. Now again go back to the tab we have opened and click Refresh. So you can see the PDF document is now opened in the tab, and in order to extract the specific pages, let's say page number 3 and page number 5 from this, just click on this small print icon and select Save as PDF option. Right now no other option is showing because none of the printer is connected to my laptop. Now under the second option, select Custom and enter the number of pages which you would like to extract. Let's say page number 3, page number 5, and click Save. Now it will ask you the location where the pages should be saved. So I'll just select Desktop and name this document and click Save. Now again I'll go to Desktop and right click this and open it in Google Chrome. So you can see now only page number 3 and page number 5 are showing in the document, and the rest of the pages have been removed, and we have extracted the specific number of pages from the PDF document. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.